live trading. Yes, we are going to be trading a real account for you guys live. So if you're new to our channel, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe. So moving on, the purpose of this video is number one, we're going to help you learn how to trade a real account live. Number two, we are also going to be sharing the necessary information you need to make money with Forex. So when you start trading Forex, we all know that you're supposed to start with a demonstration account, also known as a demo account. Now, most often we find ourselves performing a lot more better when you trade a demo account than a real account. Why is that? This is because when you trade a demo account, you are learning to use your platform and getting the necessary information needed to trade a real account, which is important. When you move to a real account, the experience starts to increase drastically in difficulty due to the fact that you are now involving emotions. Unlike with a demo account, we don't want to lose real money. And because of this, we end up not following most of our rules and breaking away from our strategies. Luckily, our channel prepares you psychologically to avoid trading with emotions. Most of the time, people lose in Forex because of their unrealistic expectations, like this guy. So you need to know that when you start to learn how to trade, it's important not to rush your understanding. Even if you go to Harvard, you won't finish a 3-year degree within a week. Same applies to Forex. You need to give yourself enough months, if not years, and you'll see. So we want to show you how to approach trading a real account live and finish up by sharing the necessary information needed in order for you to find the same trading success. Before we start, if you are new, we have two YouTube channels. The link will pop up right here. On the other channel, we post analysis. So I'll be teaching you guys how we're going to trade this real account together with my analysis and to build confidence in your trades, and basically also how to control your emotions when trading a real account. Okay, so without any further waste of time, guys, let's get started. This is the initial deposit we made, and currently the time is 10:30. Already entered a few trades and used some orders. Why? Because the market hasn't yet crossed my trendline support, confirming ourselves. So for now, let's step away from the market. We'll see how our trades went through when we come back. And we're back, guys, and it seems we have some few profits. Let's check out the analysis. So it does seem that the market did break through our support, confirming ourselves. So there's currently nothing we can do right now. We do see that we have our orders and the market has broke through our trendline support, confirming ourselves. So right now we can wait for the market to hit our targets before we can make any further steps. Okay, so let's step away from the markets again and we'll come back later. And we're back, guys. It seems the market has activated more of our orders. We are still looking to go bearish. As you can see right here, our candle formation also does prove the factor. And guys, when I put my stop loss, I make sure that I put it above resistance, because I know once the market crosses over our resistance, it will be a clear buy. And I make sure that I put my take profit where the market recently reversed, because that is where the turning points are. And guys, an important tip that I can give you when trading a real account is that when you enter trades, you shouldn't touch or manipulate your trades. Why? Because planned trades lead to planned results. Okay, let's step away from the markets. We'll come back later and see how everything played out. And we're back again, guys. For those who didn't see our Nasdaq analysis, we are looking for an overall bullish movement. So we're not planning on holding this sell trades for long, as we know that it's just only a scalp sell. However, that is what we have for now. Patience is part of Forex. Let's step away from the market now and let trades run. So guys, we're back now. I managed to close a few sell positions for now. It seems that the market has finally started with our bullish overall movement. And for now, I'm just holding other few sell positions, because if the market does spike down one more time, I will close them in profit. However, this is what we have for now. It seems that the market is starting with the overall buy movement. As you can see right now, the account is growing. I'm planning on closing these last sell positions before they become even bigger losses. There is no use holding a bad trade hoping for a miracle. So let's step away from the markets for now and we'll see how everything played out. And we're back again, guys. Just took a massive loss of my early buy entries. However, losses are part of Forex. Okay, so let's look at the charts for a minute now. We do see that finally the market broke through our overall trend line resistance, confirming our buy entries, and now I can confidently hold my buy entries. Anyways, let's step away from the markets. And we're back again, guys, back into profits. Let's check our analysis.
As you can see right now, guys, we are in a buy trend, a small buy trend, planning on crossing that overall resistance. Then I know that my bias will be an overall buy. When you take a loss, it shouldn't discourage you from continuing trading. In fact, you should focus on your next 1,000 trades with an experienced approach on how to enter trades. And we're back again, guys. Close some few positions. Let's check out the analysis. As you can see right now, the market is trying to break through our resistance. Once the market breaks through our resistance, it will be a clear confirmation of our overall bullish momentum. That means we'll be only entering buys from this setup. As you've seen, guys, when you analyze, you have to make sure that you're going to stick with your analysis no matter what, because you're going to learn if they don't work. You must make sure that every time you analyze, it is a way of an educational approach. Anyways, let me close my few positions to book profits. And we're back again into profits again, guys. Let's check out our analysis. As you can see, the market finally broke through our resistance, confirming a clear buy. So now I'm waiting for a retest on resistance. However, I'm still gonna hold these few buys to see how long they can go. And we're back again, guys. It seems I was right about the retest. As you can see right here, the market is coming back to test the new form support, which was our previous resistance. However, I did put my stop loss below resistance to make sure that if the market crosses our resistance, it will be a clear sell. This would have been just a fake out, okay? However, let's stay away from the markets. Seems that we're finally back into deep profits, guys. After the market retested our support, it went bullish as predicted. I had placed my buy orders because I knew the market was about to go bullish. Anyway, let's look at the account history. The market had first stopped me out when retesting that newly formed support, and remember, we made an initial deposit of 10,000, just withdrawn 4.8 now. The aim is to withdraw all the initial deposit and only trade profits so that I can easily detach my emotions from the account. Okay, guys, I've closed most of my buy positions, still holding a few trades left with aim to maximize profits. So yeah, guys, we are now looking for buying opportunities. As we can see, we have moved from our sell zone into our buy zone. We're going to be looking for buying opportunities. At this moment, it's important for us to close profits in order to grow the account and look for more further buying opportunities. So as we've analyzed previously, guys, we know that overall we're looking for a Nasdaq buy trend. We are looking for an overall bullish trend. As we can see that we have not only moved from a buy zone, but we're in an overall bullish trend. As you can see, we need to further close some profits as growing the account is our major objective at this point. Checking the account history, we can see that we are growing the account gradually. We are still sticking to proper risk management and going with our direction. The only thing we can do now is patiently wait and see what the market actually gives us. What I can tell you guys, it's important to be patient with the market. We cannot dictate or force any direction on the market. Do know that any strategy that you can use to trade Nasdaq, at the end, it must allow you not to force direction, rather to take what the market gives you. I'll further close profits and see how far we can grow the account and get to a point where we actually reach our main objective. So now we've finally withdrawn more than our initial deposit. Let me give you the account tour. As you can see, guys, we did start from initial deposit of 10k and we've been growing the account gradually, taking profits and losses. As you can see, we are moving on. We did make our first withdrawal, as you can see, guys. Moving on, we took some losses, some major losses, you can see here. Hit my stop loss. Last withdrawal that made it officially more than our initial deposit. We're going to close all positions and continue to look for furthermore buying opportunities. Hi everyone, new day. We are now trading profits. We have entered buy trades as previously we were looking for buying opportunities. So here's the thing about trading profits, guys. It means you can completely detach our emotions from this account because it's an amount we are willing to lose. We can still see that we are still looking for overall buying opportunities as we're in a buy trend. All trades are set, analysis has been updated, and we're still looking for further buying opportunities. The only thing we can do is set our targets and let our trades run. So we're going to go away for a moment and we're going to see how the market will eventually play out.
We have closed some few trades, and the aim is to still grow the account and not have many trades running to avoid margin calls. So the market has activated our buy stop orders and we're in profits. We can see a start of a strong push to the upside, and we're expecting possible reversals at the nearest resistance. So we'll wait for the market to play out. As you can see, we have a lot of buyers who are still pushing the market to the upside. All candlesticks have closed higher, indicating a strong bullish momentum. So let's see how the market actually plays out. We further closed more profits and the account is growing nicely, guys. We are in deep profits and it looks like we're gonna actually profit more from this strong bullish momentum. The market is creating higher highs and higher lows, indicating a strong bullish trend. Let's see how the market plays out and if we can actually reach our nearest possible resistance.
And we're back again, guys. Closed almost all profits. However, I'm only left with 2 left trades, trying to maximize profit with them. Let's check the analysis. Still waiting to reach the nearest resistance. Anyways, guys, let's leave the market now. We'll come back and see how the market played out.
Already withdrawn profits from today. Let me show you guys the account tour since yesterday. Our overall withdrawal is approximately 22,700. As you can see, it's the very same account we started yesterday. I'm scrolling to show you all the trades we've taken to get where we are currently. The initial deposit is still 10,000. We are still using small lot and using proper risk management, and we've been withdrawing. As you can see, we're trading the account, we're taking some losses. We made our second withdrawal and now this is our third withdrawal, and we're still going. Closed all trades and now looking for new buying opportunities. The market has crossed our resistance and now we're at the top of resistance. We're looking for further push to the upside. We've entered our trades, some in profit, some in losses. The market failed to cross our resistance, hence it went down to retest our newly formed support, which was our previous resistance. We are still looking for buying opportunities because we're in a support structure and also in a small buy trend. We've entered our trades, all targets are set. We just have to let the market run and see how it plays out. We've already closed a single position and we're in profits. The market is moving accordingly. We can see a small push to the upside. From my perspective, I'm seeing that we didn't have enough buyers to actually cross our resistance. So the market pushed back down and is getting enough buyers to push and gain the momentum to break above the previous resistance. Now, all trades are set. Let's let the market run.
And we're back again, guys. Closed all profits, as you can see right now. As you can see here, guys, we have replaced those trades because we see that our buy setup hasn't yet been completed. Anyways, that's all we have for now. Let's step away from the market. We'll see how everything played out.
Fourth withdrawal made, the market finally broke our resistance as predicted. We've entered more trades as we're still expecting the market to test our last resistance as we've had previously analyzed. Right now, I want to show you how the market actually played out. We do have a lot of buying pressure because we are still under our overall resistance. From right here, the market will either reverse, if not, it will push to actually test the last high of the overall bullish trend. For now, we're gonna let our last trades run until we hit that overall resistance. Target finally reached. Some trades hit TP, last ones remaining. The market is at the major resistance. From here, it can either reverse to the downside or most probably push and break the resistance as Nasdaq has very strong bullish momentum. Closing last trades as we are done with the account. So I want to make sure I close all running positions and actually book all our running profits. And now we just made our last withdrawal. Let me give you the last account tour. As you can see, guys, we've been trading this account and we've made a total withdrawal of 41,900 from an initial deposit of 10,000. So yeah, guys, we hope you actually learned a thing or two from this account. As you know, the most important thing is to stick to proper risk management and actually get to a point where you actually stick to all your trading rules.